Alright guys, welcome back to another tech video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution for you. Now, don't forget to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you'll get to that resolution. Anyway, on to the video. Cheers. And that's it guys. We've gone through. I hope you found your resolution and found the answer you were looking for. If it helped, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And be on the lookout for more technical help videos. Have a good one.